Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is NATO allies to invest more than $40 billion in counter-drone systems and expand drone operator training. NATO allies announced on the 7th of July 2026 that they will invest more than $40 billion in counter-drone capabilities over the next 5 years. The announcement was made at the NATO Summit Defense Industry Forum. Allies also aim to train 5 times as many drone operators by the end of 2027. NATO said the measures are intended to strengthen alliance readiness and resilience as drones continue to reshape modern warfare. To support faster procurement, NATO will establish a counter-drone marketplace. The marketplace is intended to ensure that systems are NATO-tested, NATO-compatible and available for purchase. NATO said allies will also use the Multinational Flight Training Europe initiative to support drone operator training. The initiative, known as NFTE, currently facilitates aircrew training and will be expanded to include training for drone operators. Finland, France and Sweden joined the 17 existing NFTE members at the forum. Through the initiative, participating allies have access to 16 NFTE flight centers across 8 countries. NATO's Support and Procurement Agency also awarded a contract worth hundreds of millions of dollars to procure surveillance drones for allies. The announcement adds to wider efforts to improve drone-related capabilities across the alliance. NATO said drones have fundamentally changed the character of modern warfare and have become a decisive factor on the battlefield. It said effective defense depends on the ability to rapidly detect, identify and neutralize drones. The planned investments, procurement tools and training expansion are aimed at improving both operational capability and resilience. NATO said these initiatives will be essential as allies adapt to the growing role of drones in current and future conflicts. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.